Magaling lang kayo pumatay sa tao na nakatali yung kamay at na nakapiring yung mata at saka yung bibig. Binabaril nyo sa ulo. Eh, andito ako. Kahit na 5 kayong vigilante dyan, sabay tayo bunot ng baril. Barilan tayo. Inahamon ko sila. I have said, you cannot correct a mistake by making another mistake. Diba? Alam natin yung pagtutulak, paggagamit ng droga, illegal na droga, ay mali. E gagawan mo pa ng isang kamalian na pinapatay mo yung involved dyan. Eh, ano yan? What will happen to us? Cycle of evil deeds. Wala na mangyayari dyan. Yan ang nangyayari ngayon. Yung mga karamihan dyan sa namamatay, I presume, yan ang kagawin ng mga sindikato. Yung hindi na nakapag-remake, pinapatay nila. Ganun yan. At saka, para hindi na rin sila maturo, it's either there is a vigilante group or vigilante personalities or itong mga sindikato na nagpapapatayan na sila.
Sa ating lahat, isang magandang umaga po. Napakagandang umaga po ito. Totoo po yung sinabi ni General La Peña na nung pinresent namin sa media yung huli galing sa Cagayan Valley. Gusto ko sana right there and then. Sabi ko, pagkatapos si President sa media, sir, baka pwede doon sa baba, doon sa ubal ng krami, sunugin kagad natin. Because of my ignorance of the procedures, sabi ko, gusto ko ipakita sa lahat na wala tayong intensyon na mag-recycle. Dahil habang tumatagal yung ebidensya sa atin, ilalong nagdududa yung taong bayan. Dahil totoo nga naman talaga, meron nangyayari. Hindi naman natin nila lahat, pero meron talaga nangyayaring ganon. So, gusto ko sunugin kagad. Pati na rin yung barko na nahuli natin sa Subic. Sabi ko kay General La Peña, sir, baka pwedeng right there and then, pagbaba namin sa barko, tirahin natin ang flamethrower, sunugin kagad natin yung barko para hindi na makabalik sa China. Eh, kasama na yung 4 dapat na Chinese nandun sa loob. Dapat nandun yung pagtira sa barko para magsunog. Bahala na silang lumangoy. Pero sabi ni General La Peña, may proseso tayo. Eh, at least si General La Peña mas may alam dyan. Although kami parehong mga pulis probinsya, eh, mas may alam siya tungkol sa akin, tungkol dito. Sa akin. I want to thank Police Director General, Deputy Director General Isidro La Peña, the dynamic new Director General of PDEA for this opportunity to witness the destruction of dangerous drugs that have been seized by the agency in anti-illegal drugs operations. This is symbolic of the government's serious recognition of the illegal drug menace and reflective of the victories that law enforcement agencies led by PDEA have been gaining in the latest round of operations against illegal drugs in the country. I understand that we have here some 338.19 million pesos worth of shabu, ephedrine, marijuana, cocaine, and liquid methamphetamine that are being destroyed today. Included also are the 180 kilograms of shabu recently seized in Claveria, Cagayan. We can just imagine what havoc these illegal drugs can wreak in the lives of our youth and the rest of our countrymen if such drugs remained in the hands of those engaged in the illegal drug trade. By destroying these drugs, we are preventing them from being taken back into the hands of the drug lords and pushers. And by doing so, we are preventing what could be a dark future for our children and the rest of our countrymen who are lured into using these drugs. This is just the start of a renewed war against the illegal drug menace. And we thank PDEA for hitting the ground running with us and wasting no time when President Duterte declared his war against this scourge that has been destroying the lives of countless members of our communities. For our part, police operatives have been hauling suspects to jail and confiscating billions worth of illegal drugs and paraphernalia. We are proud of the initial gains of Oplan Tokhang, our knock and plead program in Metro Manila, and we hope to further strengthen this anti-drug and anti-crime strategy as replicated from the victories we had in Davao City in recent years. Por rin po, si General Lapena po ay mas matagal yan nag-city director kaysa akin sa Davao. Siguro ako kung 2 years na ako noon, si General Lapena is 5 years ka ata, sir, no? Nag-city director o 6 years. Ganun siya katagal, kaya mas alam niya yung Davao City kaysa akin. Dahil dito, at dahil nakikita nila na seryoso ang Pangulong Duterte kasama ng PNP, PDEA at iba pang law enforcement agencies sa pagpapatupad ng anti-drug program, maraming drug users at pushers ang kusa ng nagsusurrender. Together with the PDEA, the PNP has been sending its message loud and clear to all drug personalities. Our police operatives remain fired up with the enthusiasm following the recent gains in our anti-illegal drug operation. In the days ahead, the war against this menace will continue with even stronger resolve, and we will use every resource possible and available to finally win this war for our countrymen. Mahabang daan pa ang ating tatahakin at alam natin ito ay puno ng hirap at panganib. Sa kabila ng lahat, nanatiling handa ang ating mga pulis at PDEA na labanan ang illegal na droga at iligtas ang ating mga kababayan, lalo na ang kabataan. And we assure our countrymen that we will continue to operate relentlessly without fear or favor and with due respect to human rights. With PDEA beside us, I am confident that we will soon make our streets and communities truly safe for our children and our peace-loving countrymen, and dangerous for criminals and illegal drug pushers and users. As I have been saying recently, wala nang atrasan ito. We started strong in this war, and we will finish stronger. Sa mga partner natin sa PDEA, ipagpatuloy po natin ang pakikibakang ito. Basta't magkapit-bisig lang tayo at magkaisa laban sa droga. Magiging higit na matagumpay ang ating mga programa laban sa krimen. Muli, maraming salamat sa inyo. Mabuhay kayo.
Thank you, sir. Before we proceed to the awarding ceremony, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Honorable Fernando T. Sagun, Jr., Executive Judge, RTC Branch 78, Quezon City. And now for the awarding of plaque of appreciation to our guest of honor, may we request for our Director General, Retired Police Deputy Director General Isidro La Peña, to be assisted by ASEC Orbe and Director Banog. Plaque of appreciation is hereby given to Police Director General Ronald M. De La Rosa, PhD, CSEE, Chief, Philippine National Police, Camp Crame, Quezon City, in recognition of your support and guidance in the implementation of RA 9165, also known as the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002, towards the realization of the vision of a drug-free Philippines, given this 14th day of July 2016 at the Integrated Waste Management Incorporated, Barangay Aguado, 13 Martires City, Cavite, signed retired Police Deputy Director General Isidro S. La Peña, PhD, CSEE Director General.